Whoa. Backpack. Well, I am on my way from school, and I'm doing a new intro called Intro of Darkness, Redness, and Whiteness.
Shut up!
And it's pretty awesome, because, yeah, get it?
Yeah, shut the freak up if you're included.
Shut up, Logan.
Yeah, shut the F up.
He's messed up in the brain, so is she. See what I mean? Well, somebody just stole my hat, and now she's pinching my leg. Ow! And goodbye.
Look at me!
And you should subscribe to his channel, but he forgets. He forgets what his channel is called. So try to find him. And if you do, make a video response. And so yeah, peace off.